if you want to adjust the daily limit on your Gumroad store, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your settings are updated correctly. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Gumroad account. Access your Gumroad account by visiting the Gumroad website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the store you want to modify. Step 2. Navigate to your settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access various settings related to your store, including payment options and product limits. Step 3. Select the daily limit option. Within the settings menu, find the section labeled Daily Limit or Sales Limits. This section allows you to set or change the daily sales limit for your products. Step 4. Adjust your daily limit. Enter the new daily limit you wish to set for your store. Make sure the number reflects your sales goals and capacity to handle orders. Double check to ensure it is the correct figure before proceeding. Step 5. Save your changes. After adjusting the daily limit, look for a Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to apply your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change the daily limit on your Gumroad store. Regularly review your settings to ensure they align with your business needs.